Oh, God. Okay, so, got the Grim Workshop thing today. My first subscription, this is the only subscription I see actually be able to use. Okay, first it comes with a, call it that. It comes with a, now I'm doing this out of order because but it comes with a fishing hook micro tool, which is useful for me. It comes with something that I'm actually partial to, the first aid micro tool. And it comes with the Joe Flowers signature cord, which I can tell you now is probably going to be way more than $20, honestly. It comes with, okay, black side, white side, blah, blah. It looks like a knife, spear, drill, scoop, splint remover, needles, which actually is what I like, yeah. It comes with, it's a month subscription. It's April. It's the, here's the card for it. Yeah. So we got the signature card, first aid micro tool, fishing hook thing, tip card, which how to make chore cloth, which actually is useful for me because I have no idea how to make chore cloth, or chore cloth. It says right there, okay, that's what you need, that's what you do, and a dressing big game, which is useless to me since I'm vegetarian, but I'll definitely, keep this card just in case of in a survival situation. Yeah. I gotta say right now, I can tell worth way more than $20. This is worth a lot to me too because it has a little saw. So it's on it. Let me read the card and see what's on it. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to read that. But anyway, this is April's one. This is the one subscription service I find worth it for me since I love survival and EDC cards. So anyway, y'all, this is definitely going in the pocket right now. Yeah. Okay, if you want to know, that's pause it if you can see it, and read if you want. Honestly, I'm happy with my first, there's definitely this one, definitely, because this is going into my first aid kit, which is right here. So I can have that. The chocolate one, definitely I'm happy with. I'm definitely happy with all these. That is a speed. Oh wow, that's okay. With the easiest thread needle, I hope. Splint remover, the scoop. I gotta see what all these are, but I'm happy. Honestly, I'm very happy with this. So yeah, $20 a month, worth it. Anyway, definitely like, subscribe, and do all that cool stuff. Peace.